something bulletproof for you. How do you make the strongest thing on earth? Fire and pressure, that's what gives it worth. From plastic strands to aerospace dreams, carbon fibers tougher than it seems. Burn away the weakness, squeeze out all the air. That's the secret recipe, if you dare. Remember those fibers, now we turn up the heat. 4,000 degrees, no time to retreat. Oxidation makes them solid as a rock. Oxygen moves in like picking a lock. Then carbonization, even hotter still. 1500 Celsius, that's a bitter pill. Nitrogen burns away what is impure. Only carbon atoms left, that's for sure. How do you make the strongest thing on earth? Fire and pressure, that's what gives it worth. From plastic strands to aerospace dreams, carbon fibers tougher than it seems. Burn away the weakness, squeeze out all the air. That's the secret recipe, if you dare. But carbon threads alone won't do the trick. You need the glue to make the magic stick. Weave them into fabric, coat with resin tight. Perfect layer stacked with engineers inside. Vacuum bag sealed up, sucking out the space into the autoclave. This is the final race. Now here's where the alchemy gets real. 180 degrees and 100 psi of steel. The resin molecules start to intertwine.